extra large cooler bag for men. Whether you want to take this to lunch, you want to take it for work, you want to go to picnic, you want to go to traveling. Large space, holds up to 24 cans. Has 5 pockets. We have one in the front with a zipper. We have another one here with a retract right here to make everything tight and secure. Then if you turn it, we have another one here with a Velcro. Really good, strong Velcro right there. I want you guys to see it. See that? Large enough space. We have another one on this side. And then when you open it up, we have another one right here, which is a see-through mesh type with a zipper. Really easy to clean. Keep your stuff cool or keep it warm in here. As you can see right there, it's well insulated. The bag length is about 13 inch across, and then sideways it's about 9.5 inches. Top to bottom is 9.5 inches, and then it comes with this amazing shoulder strap. Very soft padding right here. It's like a leather, soft, really soft. You can see I could squeeze it right here. Overall, this thing was made really well. I'm going to fill it up to show you guys some stuff that I'm going to be using in it and how it looks. And for price and detail, don't forget to check in the description box. This is a gray color. It comes in black, comes in a lot of different types of colors. Go ahead and check it out and see which is best for you. So we stack it up with some stuff I'm going to show you on the side here. We got some snacks. Over here we got a water bottle. We could put about at least 2-3 bottles. And then here, if this part is like a privacy part. We could get your purse, your wallet, your phone, your keys, which is really nice. Love the black and gray color, by the way. And if you look in here, I didn't even fill that yet, but you can see right in here. Let me show you how much stuff fits. So we got, this is amazing stuff right here for when you go picnic or you're going to far traveling, hiking, camping, whatever you're doing. Now look, we just simple stuff. We stack 3 bananas. We could do more. We got a bunch of apples, and I have one container in the bottom over there. I got another container, and you gotta see, I have 1 soda in the bottom and 1 in the top there. So we have 6 at the bottom, 6 at the top. So that's 12 cans of soda. So I'm gonna put everything back, zip it up, and show you guys how it easy zipped up. And we got 2 zipper over here. So you got one side from here, and then you got another zipper from here. Keep that tight. Always remember to keep it locked. And then you got a nice handle over here. I mean, this is legit nice, neat, strong Velcro, which I love. Good. You can see right here, the stitch sewing right here is pretty good. I love the black and gray. I'm going to tell you right now, I'm a big fan of this. So you have 2 options when carrying this. You could hold it from the handle right there, or you could put this on your shoulder right here. And this is really strong. Optionable, you could always remove it. If you don't want to use this, you could save this for later on, and you could just hold it like that. And you could just hold it over here. And then right here, say if you put some stuff you don't want it to fall out, you could just squeeze it like this. I like that. A lot of them don't give you that option like right there. So see that? And then when you're ready to take out, you could even lose that to get more room. You could put more stuff. I didn't even fill the back yet. So imagine this thing could well pack a lot. I mean, you could put a lot of stuff in this right here, and it keeps everything hot or cold. So it's up to you. But I love this strap right here, because if you have to walk far in a hiking trip, this will definitely come in handy. As I said, check in the description box below for price and details, and get yourself a good cooler bag. This is really, I give double thumbs up on Product Zone, because the quality overall is real nice. You can see that. Really good, sturdy, strong. Love it. Cannot go wrong.